Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain about the concept natural language processing. Natural language processing is a concept of the AI or the ability of the machines to understand, interpret and analyze the meaning and give the generate the responses accordingly. Natural language processing in general refers to any natural language that we are speaking and the capability of the machines to interpret that language and generate the responses accordingly. Now there were a wide variety of the applications in this natural language processing. Some of the interesting applications are like in the sentiment analysis, where we used to analyze a piece of information like attitude and behavior of the sender and generate what is sentiment of the text. It will be very helpful in that. Now it will be also used in the questionnaire form, where if you ask a question, the answer will be generated by the machine accordingly, and how efficiently that machine is able to process the language, it depends upon the NLP techniques. And also, like if we consider the chatbots, virtual assistants and etc., these machines or these systems also use the natural language processing techniques. Now for going further into the topic, now here I'm listing out all the steps that NLP has this. So now suppose I gave a sentence to the machine, and if the machine wanted to interpret that particular input, then the whatever the machine, whatever the NLP technique, it follows the same set of steps. Now first step is sentence segmentation. Say for example, I have one paragraph which consists of a large number of sentences, and each sentence has and each paragraph consists of so many sentences, and each sentence has to be classified accordingly. Now in the first step, we used to segment these sentences accordingly. Now second step is word tokenization. Now we have got all the list of the sentences. Now in each sentence we get some words. So in a sentence, like what are the words are there, that splitting of the words, like splitting of that sentence is now we used to tokenize that sentence in the form of the words. Now once we get the words, the exact objective is like to identify the root word or the base word. So for example, if I have a word intelligent or intelligently or intelligent anything, so now we need to identify the base or the root word of that particular word. Now for intelligently we can get the word base root as intelligent. Now here the machine exactly doesn't know whatever the root word, it has a meaning in English or not. So for example, it can be intelligent also or intelli. So it can be also root words. Now exact burden lies on this NLP technique to identify the base word or the root word which has exactly meaning in the English. So in this third step stemming, what we exactly do is like we used to we used to find out all that base words which has meaning and which doesn't have meaning. Now coming to this fourth step, that same set of words will be passed to the fourth step. So this technique is called as a lemmatization. So here the exact purpose of this lemmatization is to find out such a root word or a base word that has exactly